When people hear restaurant ready in 2 weeks, they usually pause. Not because they don't like it, but because they want to know what that actually means. And honestly, that's fair. Restaurants live in a world where timelines constantly shift. Deliveries get delayed, staffing changes overnight, menus evolve mid-week. So when someone promises speed without context, experienced operators might get a little curious, probably a little cautious, as they should. When we say restaurant ready, we don't mean that your account is activated. We mean the menu is fully built. Items are accurate, ingredients are structured, descriptions are finalized, all your locations are configured, and staff context is aligned. In other words, the system reflects how your restaurant actually operates during a real shift. If it can't support service, it's not ready. Now, that 2-week window doesn't start with a handshake. It starts once we receive the information that is already part of your daily operations. Things like final recipes, menu descriptions, item images, location details, and employee context. Which roles do your employees perform to be able to run your restaurant? If there's a field for it in that menu app, we want all of it. Not to slow things down, but to make sure the system reflects reality. Restaurants change constantly. Items evolve, recipes shift, details get updated mid-week. And if we don't start with the full picture, we'd be guessing. And guessing doesn't help during service. And getting everything up front is what helps us support the system in a way that works during real shifts and not just look complete. This isn't about cutting corners. It's about eliminating rework, making sure you're set up for success. When information is clear and complete, the work moves fast without surprises, rewrites, or backtracking. And that's what keeps our 2-week timeline reliable. 2 weeks isn't aggressive, it's realistic. It allows time to build correctly, review carefully, and align expectations. And it respects the reality that restaurants don't just stop operating because a system is being set up. The guarantee isn't a gimmick, it's alignment. Once we have what we need, we commit to having the system usable within 2 weeks. And if we don't, you get your money back. Restaurants shouldn't have to carry risk for something that's supposed to support it. This works best for teams that know their menu, care about accuracy, and value preparation over shortcuts. Not because they move slower, but because they move more deliberately. In restaurants, speed doesn't come from rushing, it comes from structure. When the menu is set up correctly, everything moves faster. And if the system doesn't make things move faster, then it doesn't belong on the floor. 2 weeks, restaurant ready, or you don't pay.